Managing strategic partnerships can be tricky, but using the right CRM tools makes it a lot easier. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use CRM tools to streamline and manage your strategic partnerships, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. First, let's talk about why CRM tools are essential for managing strategic partnerships. These tools help you centralize all your partner information, track communications, and manage deadlines, ensuring you stay on top of everything. Whether you're tracking ongoing conversations, setting reminders, or keeping detailed notes, a good CRM ensures no partner gets left behind. The first thing you'll want to do is input all your strategic partners into the CRM. This might seem simple, but it's key to organizing your relationships. Be sure to include not just the basic contact info, but also any specifics about your relationship, like goals, key contacts, and even past interactions. Most CRMs let you create custom fields for this, which is really helpful for tracking the important stuff. Next, set up automated reminders and follow-ups. One of the most powerful features of CRM tools is automation. You can set up reminders for yourself so that you never miss an important follow-up or task related to your partnerships. If you're working with multiple partners, this is an absolute game changer. For example, if a partner has an important milestone coming up, you can automate an email reminder or task to make sure you're prepared. Now, let's talk about tracking communications. Most CRM systems let you log emails, phone calls, and meetings directly into the system. This means all your communications with strategic partners are stored in one place. You can quickly pull up the history with any partner and see how things have been going, all from one dashboard. It helps avoid any miscommunication or missed details, making you look more professional and ensuring your partnerships thrive. Next, segmentation is crucial. Within your CRM, create different segments for each partnership or type of partner you're working with. This allows you to tailor your approach to each group. You can filter partners by industry, goals, or even the type of relationship, making it easier to follow up in a more personalized way. And lastly, you want to keep your partnership data up to date. A CRM tool will help you easily update contact info, deal stages, or any notes you add after meetings. If the system is updated consistently, you'll always have the latest data at your fingertips. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got a special offer for you. The software we're using today comes with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You can check out the description below for a link to get started with your own CRM and manage your strategic partnerships like a pro. The key takeaway here is that CRM tools are essential for effectively managing your strategic partnerships. They help you organize, automate, track, and maintain strong communication, ensuring your partnerships stay on track. To recap, add your partner details, set up reminders and follow-ups, track communications, segment your partners, and keep everything updated. And remember, make sure you take advantage of the free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching.